You have exactly 3 seconds to run. Undersea tremors are shaking the ocean floor, unleashing chaos. Massive waves rise, ready to devastate coastal communities. Buildings crumble, streets flood, escape routes vanish. Last year alone, over 10,000 lives were lost due to coastal erosion. But wait! Resilient strategies are saving lives. Community preparedness and early warning systems offer a fighting chance. Building seawalls and restoring wetlands shield against future quakes. Survive the abyss, adapt, and thrive. Or be swept away.
Tap the red button, see the magic.